Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Do you ever find yourself stuck in a decision loop? Be honest here. How often do you find yourself in a situation like this? You've got a choice to make. Maybe it's about your career, your business, or even something that should feel small, like which project to prioritize today. Instead of feeling confident, you start to spiral into thoughts like, what if I make the wrong decision? What if this comes back to haunt me later in life? Or what if I regret the decision that I make? Or maybe you do make the decision, but then you spend the next 3 days or maybe even 3 weeks, second-guessing yourself. Does any of this sound familiar to you? I see many of the accountants, business owners, executives, and high achievers that I work with inside the reinvention process tell me that decision-making is one of their most significant stress points. Because when you hesitate or overthink or wait too long, you start to feel stuck. And nothing drains your energy faster than feeling stuck. So today, let's talk about how to stop second-guessing, start trusting yourself again, and actually enjoy the decisions that you make. Let's dive in. Let's start with why we struggle with making decisions. Here's something fascinating. Did you know that indecision is still a decision? When you don't choose, you're choosing to stay in the same place. You're choosing to delay your growth. You're choosing the discomfort of spinning in circles instead of the discomfort of moving forward. And I get it. Our brains love certainty. It tells you if I don't decide, I can't make the wrong choice. But here's the catch. Not deciding feels terrible. It creates that heavy, stuck energy. Let me give you an example. Let's say that you are offered a leadership position at your firm. It's an amazing opportunity, higher pay, more influence, a bigger platform for your ideas. But instead of saying yes or no, you stay in limbo for days or even weeks. You keep replaying the what-if scenarios. What if you say yes and fail? What if you say no and regret it? And because you don't decide, you spend 3 weeks distracted, anxious, and completely unable to focus on the work in front of you. You're so afraid of making the wrong choice that you rob yourself of feeling peace in the present. This is what indecision does to us. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.